Well, hey there, everyone. 302 High Desert Radio, Northern Nevada. We're out cruising the old 2000 Ford Expedition. I got the trailer behind me. That's about the only time I do take this anywhere. Going to Reno to pick up a couple things, bring them back home. This is the last vehicle that I have a mobile radio in here. So I figured I'd go ahead and turn 28 on, see what's going. Got the amp on. Got the Oklahoma City big coil striker antenna on the roof, and we're cruising. Look at that, 221,000 miles and change. She still runs like new. Yeah, I got the Galaxy 959B in this one. That's the one I bought from a guy in, I think he was in Puerto Rico. It was all tuned up, dialed up. I got it running into a 307 built a 1x4. Right, folks, we'll catch you next time. 302, click, click.